Feroz Gandhi found his love for Indira Gandhi very expensive. No one can say whether Feroz Khan was a Muslim or a Parsi. The question is whether Indira Gandhi converted to Islam after marrying Feroz Khan or not. Indira Gandhi, the daughter of India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, was married to Feroz Gandhi. Hindu writers write Parsi to Feroz Gandhi, while other circles call Feroz Gandhi a Muslim. Persons, Professions and Politics is a book authored by Yunus Khan. He writes that Sanjay Gandhi was also circumcised, which Indira Gandhi did not object to. Sanjay Gandhi being circumcised is a great proof of Feroz Gandhi and Indira being Muslims. Jahangir Faridun belonged to Iran. He was a Muslim and was the father of Feroz Khan. The family was based in Mumbai. He is said to have his real name being Nawab Khan. He was married to a Parsi woman, Rati Mai, who became a Muslim after marriage. After his father's death, Feroz Khan had moved from Mumbai to Allahabad with his family. After coming here, he joined the Congress in 1930 as an ardent activist of freedom movement. Lal Bahadur Shastri also stayed with him in jail due to political activities. He is the same Lal Bahadur Shastri who later became the Prime Minister of India. Nehru's Begum and Indira Gandhi's mother Kamala Begum also appeared in political activities those days. That is why she was well known to Feroz Gandhi. Kamala Begum had gotten TB, for which Feroz Gandhi had taken her abroad on the basis of relationship. It was here that Feroz Gandhi's meeting with Indira Gandhi began. Bertel Fogh, a Swedish author, has written a book about Feroz Gandhi, The Forgotten Gandhi. In this book, he states that Feroz Gandhi had asked Kamala Begum to marry Indira Gandhi. Feroz Gandhi believed that Kamala Begum would not reject his proposal. But Kamala Begum rejected Feroz Gandhi's proposal to marry Indira. She had told her husband Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru before her death that she was very worried about Indira's future and she did not like Indira to marry Feroz Khan. Kamala Begum thought Feroz Gandhi was not worthy of Indira. Kamala Begum died in 1936, but Kamala Begum did not know that the life of Feroz Gandhi and her daughter Indira Gandhi had reached a new junction and they had promised to live together. Indira's father Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru knew about their relationship, but Nehru did not think that the end of their relationship would be marriage. History shows that Feroz Khan and Indira got married at a mosque in London. The books also mention that Indira Gandhi had named her Islamic name Maimuna Begum. When Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru came to know of his daughter's marriage, he approached Congress Supreme Leader Mahatma Gandhi and requested him to play a role in this regard. It is not known whether Mahatma Gandhi played any role or not. However, Nehru liked Feroz Khan, but he did not like Feroz Khan's religion. Feroz Khan and Indira were still in London when Nehru called Feroz Khan and Indira to India and married them in a Hindu manner on March 26, 1942. As soon as the marriage took place, Indira started applying Gandhi with her name. Feroz Khan's family name was Feroz Khan Gandhi. Feroz Khan was very impressed with the role of Mahatma Gandhi in the freedom movement of India. He used to count him as his ideal. The word Gandhi is believed by historians to be actually Gandhi and is the family name of Feroz Khan. Earlier, Feroz Khan used to write Gandhi with his name since Mahatma Gandhi also valued him a lot. Feroz Khan started writing and calling Gandhi in love with Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi used to say that if I find 7 people like Feroz Khan, I will liberate India in 7 days. Some historians write that Nehru forced Feroz Khan to write Gandhi with his name to hide the religious identity of his son-in-law Feroz Khan. Thus Feroz Khan also started writing Gandhi, and thus after her marriage to Indra, the word Gandhi also came up with Indra's name and she became Indira Gandhi from Indra. According to historians, there was a period in the marital life of Indira and Feroz Gandhi when their relationship between the two was strained. It is said that when the Quit India movement was going on, Feroz Khan was arrested in August 1942 within 6 months of his marriage and was sent to jail for a year. He was followed by 2 sons, Rajiv in 1944 and Sanjay in 1946. Indian scholar K. N. Rao's book The Nehru Dynasty states that shortly after Rajiv Gandhi's birth, Indira Gandhi's relationship with her husband Feroz Khan became strained and they started living separately without a formal divorce. During this time, Indira Gandhi became pregnant and Sanjay Gandhi was born in 1946. N.K. Rao claims that Sanjay Gandhi was not the son of Feroz Gandhi but the son of Yunus Khan, a Muslim diplomat who had developed a relationship with Indira Gandhi. It is on the record that Yunus Khan was later an advisor to Indira Gandhi. N.K. Rao further writes about the fact that though Indira Gandhi and Feroz Khan were married to their choice, it is fact that Indira Gandhi had a romantic mood. This mood was inherited by Indira Gandhi from her father Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. It is also a question mark whether there is really any truth in the fact that Lady Mountbatten and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru had some kind of private relationship. It is of utmost importance that Indira Gandhi's time with Feroz Gandhi in London considered it the capital of her life, but Indira was extremely strict in her personal mood. She could not have been made for longer than anyone because of her oppressive temper. That is why Feroz Gandhi has soon realized that Indira Gandhi's attitude towards him was not good. He felt that he was an employee, not the deity husband of Indira Gandhi. Due to Indira Gandhi's attitude based on many such things, Feroz Gandhi distanced himself from Indira Gandhi. After marriage, Feroz Gandhi was appointed MD of his newspaper, The National Herald, by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. In 1952, in India's first general election, Feroz Gandhi was elected as a member of Lok Sabha from Bareilly. Indira Gandhi used to come to Bareilly from Delhi and participate in her husband's election campaign. His time went on in politics. In 1958, Feroz Gandhi suffered a heart attack. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the Prime Minister of India at that time. When Feroz Gandhi suffered a heart attack, Indira Gandhi was staying with her Prime Minister father at the Prime Minister house. Indira Gandhi was with her father during Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's visit to Bhutan, and during the same visit, Indira Gandhi was reported to have Feroz Khan's illness. She returned from there and took Feroz Khan to Kashmir. In 1960, Feroz Gandhi again suffered a heart attack and died at local hospital in Delhi. Feroz Gandhi is said to have become the President or Prime Minister of India if he was not married to Indira Gandhi, and life would have been loyal to him. This is because he was a very talented man and Mahatma Gandhi had great faith in Feroz Gandhi. Later circumstances also showed the eye-catching word that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru lived with the talents of Feroz Gandhi. 6 years after the death of Feroz Gandhi, Indira Gandhi became the Prime Minister of India. The seat of Raebareli, from which Feroz Gandhi used to contest, became the hereditary seat of his family. Till now, Indira Gandhi's Bahu and Rajiv Gandhi's wife Sonia Gandhi used to contest from the same constituency, and she succeeded.